In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure to remove a credit card Amazon account. So to remove a card from your Amazon account, you want to follow these steps. Before that, you want to make sure that your device is completely up to date and you're connected to a stable internet. Open the Amazon application on your device and simply go ahead and click on the menu bar at the bottom right corner of your screen. From the list, click on account from this section, and then you want to go to the payment section. So if you want to scroll down a bit, you will be able to find your payment section over here. So here it is, your payment. Click that out, after which you will be able to see the added payment method. So what you need is find the credit card that you want to remove from the list of payment method. Click on the card and select edit option next to it. Look for it and click on remove from the wallet option, often a red button, and then confirm the removal when prompted by clicking the remove again button. In some cases, you might be asked to type in the PIN or maybe a password for the identity purpose. You might have to do that, and then you'll have successfully removed your card. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.